Solid as a rock. Stop flying straight. I just cut myself. Holy shnikes. Be very careful when picking up a throwing star. Like the duct tape on my shoe, because it got a hole in it. Whoa! I don't know what to say. All right, we gotta take it outside. Okay, that was a good one. I don't know how fast that's going, but I did some basic math and calculated that the tip of this wheel here is spinning at around 71 miles an hour. So I don't think that the star is going 71 miles an hour, but it's probably not even going half of that, but it's still, I wouldn't want to be hit with it, that's for sure. I think I gotta hit it just right so that it spins in the air. Alright, I think I just lost it. Landed somewhere over by this tree. Aha! Whew. Yeah, that went a pretty good way. Let's try it again. That was scary. That pretty much just came right back at me. Whoa! Alright, you get this thing just right on the buffing wheel, and this thing comes out of there fast. If you don't get it right, it just kind of like... Ah! I just sliced my finger open again. Yeah, this is not safe. Yeah, I would definitely not want this thrown at me. I cut this finger. What the heck just happened? Dude. I haven't missed it yet. I keep glancing aside. Ow. Yes! We killed the water bottle. Yeah, only took me like 2 tries, and I hit it right on the money. Throwing stars are pretty much illegal in every single state, so don't make one of these and put it in your pocket and carry it around. Unless you're a ninja, then you can carry a throwing star around, but unless you're an actual ninja, don't carry around a throwing star. Or is it a samurai? Do samurais or ninjas carry throwing stars? I'm not sure. Also, don't carry around bench grinders. They're also illegal in every single state. If you get caught with one of these, you're going to jail for at least a life sentence, maybe 2. Yeah, so you're not gonna see the light of day for at least 3 weeks. Don't make one of these, don't mess around with it, don't do anything that has to do with throwing stars. They're illegal, don't do it. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.